Downtown Vancouver is the central business district of Vancouver, British Columbia, located on a peninsula bordered by the Burrard Inlet to the north, False Creek to the south, and English Bay to the west. It is the most densely populated area of the city, with numerous high-rise buildings, including office towers, residential condominiums, and hotels. Some of the main attractions in downtown Vancouver include the Vancouver Art Gallery, Robson Square, the Granville Street Entertainment District, and the historic Gastown neighborhood. Other popular destinations in the area include the Vancouver Convention Centre, the Canada Place cruise ship terminal, and the Stanley Park Seawall. The area is also known for its diverse range of restaurants, cafes, and shops, as well as its public spaces and parks, such as the newly renovated North Plaza at the Vancouver Art Gallery and the popular Robson Square ice rink in the winter. Downtown Vancouver is well connected to other parts of the city and the surrounding region through a variety of transportation options, including the SkyTrain rapid transit system, buses, ferries, and cycling infrastructure. Downtown Vancouver is indeed a beautiful place. It has a unique blend of natural beauty and urban sophistication, which makes it an exciting destination for locals and tourists alike. The city skyline is dominated by glass and steel skyscrapers, which are complemented by the surrounding mountains, water, and greenery. The area is surrounded by stunning natural scenery, including Stanley Park, the North Shore Mountains, and English Bay. In addition to its natural beauty, downtown Vancouver is home to a thriving arts and culture scene, with numerous museums, galleries, theaters, and concert venues. The area is also a foodie's paradise, with a wide range of restaurants offering diverse cuisines from around the world. Overall, downtown Vancouver is a vibrant and dynamic urban center that offers a unique mix of natural beauty, cultural richness, and modern amenities.